Hi guys, today's video that I'm introducing my best friend Amira. Say hi. Hello. That's my best friend Amira and her name. What's your full name?
I don't know.
Amira Margot Saudal.
No, it's not my full name, bro. I don't know my full name.
Then it's night. That this is Maxwell.
Nakailang ulit ka na talaga.
I will gonna sleep at 8 p.m. It's almost 8 p.m. in just in 2 hours. This is my table.
I will be home at 7 o'clock.
Give me the phone. No. Sorry guys, that's my 9 years old best friend. Bye, see you soon. No!